Fathom Enterprise Analytics Hub app. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise needs a privacy-focused analytics solution for marketing performance, Fathom Enterprise Analytics Hub promises simplicity and compliance, but is it robust enough for large organizations? On the positive side, Fathom emphasizes clean, privacy-first analytics without cookies or tracking personal data. Marketing teams can track website performance, conversions, and campaign success with clear dashboards and simple metrics. Its streamlined interface makes setup fast, and reports are easy to share with stakeholders. Enterprises benefit from GDPR and CSPA compliance, faster insights due to a lightweight platform, and simplified analytics for teams that want clarity without overwhelming data. However, there are drawbacks. Fathom does not provide the depth of analytics available in tools like Power BI or Looker. It lacks advanced segmentation, predictive modeling, and multi-source integrations, which may limit enterprise marketing teams with complex campaigns. Custom reporting is minimal and large-scale automation is limited compared to enterprise by suites. Most people get this wrong. They assume privacy-focused means limited insight. The surprising truth is that Fathom provides essential marketing analytics efficiently, but enterprises must decide if the simplicity meets their full data needs. In conclusion, Fathom Enterprise Analytics Hub app is ideal for enterprises prioritizing privacy and straightforward reporting. Its simplicity, compliance, and ease of use make it attractive for teams focused on essential key biz. For organizations seeking deep, multi-source analytics, Fathom may be best complemented with other BI tools to ensure comprehensive marketing insights.